Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Tractor Supply. So, let's dive in. To get us started, we're going to check out this Toro lawnmower here. You can get 30 bucks off of this for $4.50. Pretty good option here for the Toro brand. Definitely a great time to go ahead and get you a lawnmower since it is raining and also it is hot, so the grass is definitely growing. But you can get a good deal here on Toro. Pretty good option for that one. We also have Greenworks push mower for 400 bucks. You get to save 50 bucks on this one as well. Again, solid option, solid brand. It's going to do a good job for you right here. So if you're in the market for one, this is definitely one you should check out. We also have some gas grills on sale. We can save 50 bucks here on this Weber. Weber is a great brand. I've used it to grill many times. I still have a few Weber charcoal grills, but this is a great solid one to get you started, and again, great time to go ahead and get it for the grilling season. Then we also see some of these power tools on sale for 99 bucks. They were originally 140, but this is a great deal. So if you're in the DeWalt brand, or if you want to get started, DeWalt is a great brand to get going, but you can get some of these deals for $99, some batteries and some drills, and even a circular saw as well. I also saw an option for a job site fan, so you can grab one of these for 99 bucks as well, especially with it hot. And then they also had all their DeWalt accessories on sale as well, so you could grab some of those and save a little bit of money. They also had one Makita item on sale at my store. This is the brushless drill, so you could grab one of those and save a little bit. Then they had a clearance on their gear wrench set right here, the 165 mechanics tool set. So you could grab that and get a pretty good deal. And they also had a couple other options as well on some of these, but they have been picked over as well. So you want to check those out at your Tractor Supply so you don't miss out. Then they also had some more DeWalt torque options right here. So if you need one of these larger options, you could definitely grab that. And then even here, 43 bucks for this JobSmart mechanics tool set is a great one to keep in your truck, or a great DIY option. Another great item we see right here is the DeWalt Hog Ring Plier Kit. So if you need one of these, you can save 5 bucks on this option. Pretty good deal right there to get you started on that. We also see some tape measures on sale. Get to save 2 bucks off of this brand. I actually have one of these and it works really well. It has done a great job for me. Then we also see some Fat Max tape measures. I actually have one of these as well. They work really well. Stanley is a great brand, and they're definitely going to do a good job for you. So if you need one, great one to pick up. Also have a gear wrench set here for 19 bucks. You can get one of these sets, the extendable long bit sets here. Also have this other DeWalt ratchet set. I've said it before. I've used this one exactly, and it works extremely well. My dad has it, and we've used it multiple times. We also see another set here for 40 bucks. Again, DeWalt's going to do a great job for you, so if you need one of these, definitely a great one that I do recommend. Then we also see Crescent has some of their tools on sale. So if you need a ratchet set here, pretty good option, pretty unique little ratchet option there. So if you need one of those, you can definitely grab one. Then we also have some other wrenches here, 10-piece wrench for 16 bucks. That's a great deal as well. So, and get in the Crescent brand there. Then they also have a few more of their ratchets on sale. So you can get some of these. You can even get some hex bit sets for 20 bucks. Solid deal on that one as well. Then we see a DeWalt nut driver set on sale. You get to save $1 off of this. Again, great option for you right here, especially with DeWalt. Good deal for that one. Then we see a few more DeWalt options right here. You get to see some drill bit sets. This is the Flex Torque option. Going to do a great job. You get to save 8 bucks off of this. Got a few different bit sets and stuff in that. Then we also have the impact driver access for 15 bucks. Get to save $5 for this one. Again, solid deal for that. Get to save a little bit of money and get a little case with it. Also, here is a deal on some super glue, 4 bucks. Then they also had their char grill barrel option here for $130. This is again a great option for you to get started with some grilling. They also had 20% off of the pool filter, so if you have a pool, this is a great option for you to go ahead and pick up. Then we see a few more clearance items right here. We have the forged D-ring option. We also have the heavy duty surface mount. You need one of these as well. Pretty good deal on that. Then we also see 50% off red shed string lights. So if you want to make the backyard look pretty nice, this is definitely a great time to go ahead and grab you some and save a little bit of money as well. And we also see a great deal here with this scoop for 30 bucks. You get to save $10 on this. So if you need one of these large shovels for just doing some work around the farm, great time to grab you one. Then we also see a couple deals right here on some garden stakes. You can definitely do that. And we also have some pots on sale as well. 30% off of that. And then we get into some fun little deals here. We see a few of these little brass connectors here. Great options for working outside and just different things like that. Then we also have a couple good deals on electrical repair kit. Great thing to always keep on hand. And then this wheel chock on sale for 8 bucks as well. Great thing to always have when you're working on your vehicles. And we have a few more just fun items here. We have some small pliers. Also have this little fire starter set that is on clearance. We have some knives and utility knife set from JobSmart there. Then we even have some flashlights. My kids just absolutely love those. And then another little utility knife from Stanley right here. And a few other just good knives just to kind of have around. And a few other items we can just kind of see. We do see this two-piece level set right there that is on clearance. Also this fun large knife right there. Got some clips just for any and everyday usage, and then even some rope and a few other just fun little small detailed items. Then we also have some of these on clearance if you need some of these from JobSmart, a great option for you here. Get to save a little bit. Some wrench sets, some screwdriver sets, and then just a few other odd and ends items. Like I mentioned, that these are some good ones that you can grab, throw in your truck, or again, just have as some DIY options, just everyday use. Then a few more knives and multiple different wrench sets here. You can have some gloves and some locks. Then we have the little pad you can stand on in your shop. We already saw a couple other of these, but we have the brush and then also the spray paint. They also had a lot of items for your pets, so if you need some of these for your pets, they had a lot of these on sale and on clearance. You can definitely grab some of these and save a little bit of money and make your pets happy. We also go see the chainsaw replacement chains, 20% off. If you have a Husqvarna, great to go ahead and grab one of these. Then we also see the chainsaw bar and chain oil, save 2 bucks on that. Then we see the Mojack ZR350 mower lift. You can grab one of these and save about 30 bucks on that. Pretty good deal if you're in the need and want to work on your mower a little bit there. Then we also see this hitching post on sale for 30 bucks. Get to save $3 on that one. So good way to save a little bit of money and grab one of these deals. Then next we see a overseed mix drop down 10 bucks here for 50 bucks. So a great thing for, again, just some forage and overseed for the cows. Then we have a couple more deals going on right here. We have the home defense option. You can save a few bucks off of this if you need one of those for some insect killers. I know when it's getting warmer, they're definitely there. Misting cooling kit. This is a cool little thing here for 25 bucks. You can save $5 off of this. So help you stay cool with the weather being so hot everywhere. I think that's a great option right there. Then we also see 25% off of these seeds. Pretty good price off a lot of these. So if you're still going to plant a few options, we see some fall things are getting ready, but a few maybe other options in your garden, you can definitely grab some of these and save a little bit of money. We also see the outdoor red shed solar lights for 25% off. Again, great option for that. Solar is definitely taking off, and I see it everywhere right now. Then we also have some electric fence wire for 24 bucks. Pretty good option here. Going to save 5 bucks off of that if you're going to be doing some mending and fixing a few things around the farm. It's a great one for you. We also have the brush killer for large property here for 140. Get to save 20 bucks off of some of this. Again, Good option here if you have a large area and you need a lot of this spread out. We also have the other option here for Gordon's 1 quart for 28 bucks. Get to save $5 on this option as well. Again, same thing with the brush killer here. Got another deal. Then we have the smart straps. Always great to have some of these. You get to save $5 off of this option. Definitely a great one for you there. Love keeping a bunch of these in the truck. Also keep them in my wife's vehicle, and then also in my shop as well. Let me see a few more ratchet tie downs here for 25 bucks. Get to save about $5 on this. So, like I mentioned, always great to have multiple of these. Never know when you're gonna see something you need to pick up, or just need to strap something down to make sure that it's not going anywhere. Then we see another set right here. We have the smart straps, recovery strap with the loop ends for 49 bucks. Get to save $5 off of this one, so pretty good deal for that one as well. Then we see a couple other options here. The soft loop for $7. You can grab you one of these. We also see more options here for $12.99. A couple of these if you need some, and then a few more options as well. Then we also see some heavy duty tarps here if you need to grab some of these. I actually just had to grab some today to do some projects with, but these are some great options. This is the green poly tarp here, 10 by 13. We also have the 10 by 8 on clearance as well for 19 bucks. Definitely should have grabbed it here instead of somewhere else, but pretty good deal right there, especially for Tractor Supply. I think it's a great deal for them. Then we have another one option. This is the heavy duty tarp here for 60 bucks. This is a definitely large tarp, so if you need one of these for some bigger items, it's definitely a great thing to check out. We also see the damp rid absorber bucket. I've used these in our garage and also our basement. They work really well. 15 bucks is a pretty good option for the bucket there. Then we see the multi-purpose inflator, $35 here. Great option on that. I always recommend keeping one of these handy in case you have to do something at the house or in your vehicle. Then we also see the WD-40, always a great thing to grab. $9 here, get to save $1 off of this one. So you get to save a little bit of money, and then also grab some of this. Always a great thing to keep in your pack. Then we see the Cat Complete Fuel Exhaust and Emission System here for 20 bucks. So if you need one of these, I've done a video on this and how it actually can help your vehicle. Then we also see a few more deals right here. 16 bucks, and you get some of this cleaner degreaser. Again, great thing to go ahead and pick up. Also have the tow step brake light accessory for 20 bucks. So if you need one of these, great thing to go ahead and pick up there. Then we have a few other options. Some ready to spray outdoor cleaner for 19 or 18 bucks. We've used some of this in previous videos. Then we have a few more deals on some of these socket sets here. So if you need to get some JobSmart socket sets for 22 bucks, you can definitely do that. Then we also have the JobSmart deep socket set option, $14. Great thing to keep on hand. Then we even have some of their extensions. Again, something you definitely need to keep on hand if you're going to be doing some projects. A few more extensions and a couple other options here, so you want to keep your eye on these. Pretty good deals on a lot of these and a lot of these prices right here. Then we also see multiple JobSmart options as well. Again, JobSmart's a great brand. I've heard multiple people say they've used them and they've liked them a lot. I've used them a couple of times on some older projects, and like I mentioned, they've done really good for me. So definitely a great thing to check out and see if they would work for you guys. I think it's a great DIY brand and also a great brand to just keep in your pack or in your vehicle. And then we also have a few deals on some of these wrenches as well. So it's a great thing, again, just to always have on hand. You never know when you're going to need one of these for a project. And then we also see this little fun bike here for $100 off, so you can save that and have a little fun as well. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Tractor Supply. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, whether it's some type of DIY tool or if it's an outdoor power tool or even one of these DeWalt items. but let me know in the comments. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.